week ago.
You're near midfield. It's fourth down. What do? I got the answer right here. You punt it. Play field position. Make the other offense drive the length of the field to score.
Sent it to the 20-yard line. Bradford's looking to follow up last week's strong performance, where he threw
Strong performance.
400 yards.
Strong performance.